Out on the range where the tall grass sways, the sun sinks low, paints the end of my day. The saddle's worn, my boots are dust stained, but my heart rides home to you again. Your laugh's like a creek in the summer's heat. Your touch is soft as the earth beneath my feet. Miles of prairie can't keep me away from the girl on the ranch who steals my days. Oh, prairie hearts beat wild and true. Beneath the stars I dream of you. Though the cowboy's life is rough and wide, your love's my home, my steady guide. The cattle call and the coyotes cry under a blanket of a moonlit sky. I long for the warmth of your sweet embrace, the fire in your eyes, the smile on your face. The harmonica hums a lonely tune under the spell of the prairie moon, but the fiddle sings when I think of you, and the guitar strums my love so true. Oh, prairie hearts beat wild and true. Beneath the stars I dream of you. Though the cowboy's life is rough and wide, your love's my home, my steady guide.